Hello students, today we will discuss the next topic of your chapter number 1, that is real numbers and their decimal expansions. Okay, real numbers और उनकी decimal expansions. Okay, so students, real numbers की बहुत सी decimal expansions होती हैं, ठीक है. जैसे in class 8 we have already studied about the same terminating, non-terminating, recurring. So we are going to discuss today them one by one. Okay, so your case 1 is the remainder becomes 0. जब remainder जो है वो 0 हो जाएगा. See, I am taking a rational number here. For example I am taking 1 by 2. And we know that 1 by 2 is a real number. 1 by 2 is a real number. ठीक है. So now when you divide this 2 with 1, you are not able to divide this 2 with 1. So for this you will need a decimal. Okay, 0 point. When you put 0 point in the quotient, this means you are able to take the 0 in the dividend. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. Now here you will see when you subtract 10 with 10, you will get the remainder 0. Means the complete divisions took place after the decimal point. This type of decimals are called terminating decimals. Okay. This type of decimal expansion is called terminating. ओके, ऐसी टाइप होगी जो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन की, उसको हम कहेंगे कि ये टर्मिनेटिंग है. ठीक है. नाउ द सेकेंड केस इज द रिमाइंडर व्हेन नेवर बिकम्स 0. अब हम वो एक्सपेंशंस देखेंगे जहां पे आपका जो रिमाइंडर है वो 0 नहीं होगा, तो उन एक्सपेंशन को, डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन को हम क्या कहेंगे. सो आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग divide 10 with 3. It is a real number, you know that. So when you divide this 3 with 10, you will get 3 3s are 9 minus 10 minus 9 1. Okay, we are not able to divide this 1 with 3, so we will take a decimal. Okay, decimal means you are able to put 0. 3 3s are 9. Again minus them, again you will get 0. Now decimal point is already here, so we are able to put 0. 3 3s are 9. Again minus 10 minus 9 1. Point put करेंगे 0. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now students, here you will see this type of division will never come to the end. ठीक है. इस टाइप की जो डेसिमल होगा, मतलब कि आप देखेंगे वो कभी भी एंड नहीं होगा. ठीक है. कुछ फाइनाइट स्टेप्स करने के बाद भी वो एंड नहीं होगा, मतलब उसका रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं होगा. तो इस टाइप की एक्सपेंशन को हम, डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन को हम कहते हैं नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल. देखिए रिपीट हो रहे हैं डेसिमल 3 3 3 3 3. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल्स. ओके, so this type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay students, note down the same in your notebook.